Looking for the best plants for your coastal garden? It's a question that's tickled the green thumbs of many. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of coastal gardening, exploring the top 5 plants that flourish near the sea. Stay tuned as we unveil the top 5 plants that will make your coastal garden thrive. First up on our list is the resilient sea oats. Characterized by their tall, slender stems and feathery seed heads, sea oats thrive in sandy soils and salty air. They're perfect for coastal gardens, offering beauty and a natural solution to beach erosion. Sea oats, a plant that not only beautifies your garden but also combats beach erosion. Next, we have the vibrant beach sunflower. This cheerful plant thrives in sandy soil and full sun, making it perfect for seaside landscapes. With its bright yellow petals and hardy nature, it's a delightful addition to any coastal garden. Beach sunflower, a sun-loving plant that adds an enchanting pop of color to your coastal garden. Third on our list is the stunning Seaside goldenrod. This robust perennial thrives in sandy soils and can weather harsh coastal conditions. Its vibrant yellow flowers add a burst of color, making it an ideal choice for any seaside garden. Seaside goldenrod, a hardy plant that brings a touch of gold to your garden. Fourth on our list is the charming dune evening primrose. Adored for its large white moonlit blooms, this coastal beauty thrives in sandy soils. Its drought resistance and captivating evening fragrance make it a delightful addition to any coastal garden. Dune evening primrose, a plant that blooms under the moon, making your garden a magical place. Last but not least, we have the beautiful blanket flower. This vibrant perennial is a real trooper, thriving in sandy soil and full sun. It's drought-tolerant, low maintenance, and its fiery blooms attract pollinators. Blanket flower, a drought-tolerant beauty that brings a burst of color to your garden. There you have it, the top 5 plants for your coastal garden. Sea oats, beach sunflower, seaside goldenrod, dune evening primrose, and the blanket flower, all ready to add beauty to your seaside sanctuary. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.